Everyone ignores hiccups, but what if it's actually your brain misfiring? Hiccups aren't random at all. They're caused by a reflex loop between your diaphragm and your brainstem. Normally, your brain keeps this reflex under control and shuts it down before you even notice it. But when that control is disrupted, the signal keeps firing over and over again, and the loop gets stuck. It turns into a chemical imbalance. Dopamine keeps driving the reflex, while GABA tries to slow it down. That's why some hiccups don't stop and can last much longer than expected. So instead of targeting just one cause, we act on multiple pathways in the nervous system to break the cycle. Because sometimes a hiccup isn't just a hiccup.